Good morning, all of you. Peace be upon you and your family. In the previous video, we have discussed about the general physical properties of xenon compound and preparation of xenon difluoride, xenon tetrafluoride and xenon hexafluoride. But in this video, we are going to discuss about xenon fluorides, action of heat. What happens when xenon fluoride is heated in quartz vessel at 50 degrees Celsius? When xenon hexafluoride is heated at 50 degrees Celsius in a chilled quartz vessel, it forms XeOF4. The fluoride ion in xenon hexafluoride are replaced by oxide ion. When the reaction continues, all the fluoride ions from xenon hexafluoride are completely replaced by oxygen, and finally it gives xenon trioxide. So a fluoride is converted into an oxide by heating xenon hexafluoride in quartz vessel at 50 degrees Celsius. Now we are going to discuss actually how the reaction takes place, how the F minus ion are replaced by O2 minus ion. Xenon fluoride, action of heat. The xenon fluoride here we are going to use is xenon hexafluoride. Before to discuss the reaction, remember that one fluoride is a 1 minus ion. Oxide is a 2 minus ion. One fluorine, mononegative, univalent, and oxygen is a bivalent 2 negative ion. So, 2 fluoride ion in a compound is displaced by O2 minus ion. 2 F minus ions can be displaced by O2 minus ion. In each reaction, 2 F minus ion are replaced by O2 minus ion. Xenon hexafluoride, XeF6. Xenon in this compound, oxidation state is +6, fluorine -1. When we cross the valency, fluorine valency should be written here, xenon valency should be written there, F6, XeF6. When heated to 50 degrees Celsius in a quartz vessel, SiO, silicon oxidation state is 4+, oxygen -2. When we cross that valency, the 2 is near silicon, 4 is near oxygen. When we cancel these two, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So the molecular formula for quartz or silicon dioxide is SiO2. When we treat it in the first step, what I told here, the 2F minus ion are replaced by 1 O2 minus ion. Therefore, 2 fluoride ion is replaced by 1 oxygen. 1 oxygen. O2 minus ion. So, what is the compound obtained? Xenon, now containing how many fluorine atoms? 6 fluorine atoms. 2 fluorine atoms are replaced by 1 oxygen atom. This silicon plus combine with the F minus. Plus always combine with the minus. Form SiF. What is the valency? We know silicon valency is 4 plus, fluorine minus 1. When we cross that valency, fluorine valency is here, silicon valency is there. Then we have to balance the equation. How many oxygen atom in silica? 2 oxygen atom. Therefore, the compound is multiplied by 2. How many xenon? 2 xenon. This is 2 xenon. Now, the equation is balanced. Fluorine, 2 into 6 are 12 fluorine, 2 into 4 are 8, 8 plus 4 equal to 12 fluorine, 1 silicon, 1 silicon. What is the name of this product? Xenon. Xenon. Oxygen, oxy. How many fluoride? Tetrafluoride. Tetrafluoride. Xenon, oxy, tetrafluoride. Xenon, oxy, tetrafluoride. When the reaction is continued, all the fluoride ions are replaced by O2 minus ion. How? Now take that xenon oxyfluoride, XeO F4, xenon oxytetrafluoride, when treated with SiO2, silicon dioxide, gives. Here also 2 fluoride ion are replaced by 1 oxide ion. 2 fluoride ion are replaced by 1 oxide ion. Xenon, already it containing 1 oxygen, we are adding another oxygen, O2. 2 fluoride ion are replaced, remaining we have only 2 fluorine plus. Usually silicon combine with the fluorine, plus ion combine with the minus ion. We know the oxidation state of silicon is 4 plus, fluorine minus 1. When we cross the valency, the molecular formula is SiF4, silicon tetrafluoride. Then we have to balance the reaction also as the above balancing. We have 3 oxygen atoms, so convert that 3 oxygen atom into the nearby even number. What is the nearby even number? 4. So 2 into 2 are 4 oxygen, 2 xenon, 4 oxygen. Silicon, fluorine, 2 into 4 are 8, 2 into 4, 2 are 4 plus 4 equal to 8. What is the name of the product obtained? This is your xenon dioxy difluoride. Xenon dioxy difluoride. Then take that xenon dioxy difluoride again, XeO2 F2, xenon dioxy difluoride, when treated with again SiO2, finally We have still 2 fluorine atom in xenon dioxide difluoride. That 2 fluorine atoms, fluoride ion, are replaced by 1 O2 minus ion. Now what is the final product obtained? XeO3 plus silicon plus combined with the F minus form SiF. What is the oxidation state of silicon? 4 plus. Fluorine minus 1. When we cross the valency, Si1F4. How to balance? As usual. We have 4 oxygen atom, here 3. So what is the common even number for 4 and 3? When you multiply by 2, 2 into 3 is 6. 2 xenon, 2 xenon. Oxygens are balanced. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 4 fluorine, 4 fluorine. The name of the product obtained is xenon trioxide. Xenon trioxide. So this is how xenon hexafluoride, when heated in a quartz vessel, not heated with silica, in a quartz vessel to about 50 degrees Celsius. All the fluoride ions from xenon hexafluoride are replaced by oxygen atom. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe it. And thank you very much.